Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, let's do some conversation, a casual meeting between two friends, Ken and Mac. Ken, hello, Mac. Good evening. How are you? Mac, good evening. I'm very well. Thank you. And you? Ken, quite fine. It's been a long time since I met you. Where have you been hiding? Mac, oh no, I have always been around. I have been going to my father's factory daily. I go in the morning, and by the time I get back, it's around 6:30 in the evening. Besides, I have been attending spoken English classes 3 days a week. In fact, I haven't had any vacation. That's probably why we haven't met for some time. How have you been during the holidays? Ken, well, I have been around here practically doing nothing. I have been waiting for my result. Luckily, I have got through and I have joined BCom. By the way, you were telling me about your spoken English classes. Where is it and how do you find it? Mac, I go to my teacher's house in town. I think it is very interesting and useful. Ken, how long have you been attending classes? Do you think you will be able to speak fluently? Mac, I believe so. I have been attending classes only for 3 months, and I think I can speak a little. Ken, what is the duration of the course? Mac, it is 5 months. I'm sure I will be able to speak fluently with a little more practice. Ken, so you will continue the lessons for 2 months more, won't you? Mac, yes, I think so. Ken, how does he teach you? Does he use cassettes and records? Mac, no, he doesn't. He teaches me a little bit of basic grammar and gives me practice in spoken English. We sit and talk. Ken, how do you attain fluency? Mac, that's done by means of drills. A lot of it. Then we talk on various topics using real situation in life. Ken, does the teacher use vernacular sometimes? Mac, yes, sometimes, to save time and to clarify some points, but this is done very rarely. Ken, that's fine. You have to learn English by thinking in English and by using it. Now, what are your plans? Mac, I will complete spoken English classes while at the same time attending college. They will go side by side. Ken, which college have you joined? Mac, I have joined the same college where I studied for pre-degree. There, the lectures are good and they take special care in giving regular tests. What more do we want? Ken, are there no strikes in your college? No, none at all. By the way, where are you going now? Ken, I am going to my uncle's house in town. He's coming from Austria tomorrow. Mac, oh, is he coming on leave? Ken, he's in the teaching service. He's coming for good after retirement. Mac, there comes your bus. Good night. Ken, good night. See you later.